Did you know that in the last 2 years alone, 100,000 nurses have left bedside nursing? 100,000. That's not just a statistic, guys. That's an exodus of us leaving the bedside. And if you're watching this thinking about your own resignation, you're not alone. Now, today I want to talk about why nurses are running from the bedside and where they're going instead, because you have options. And this isn't just about pandemic burnout. This is about a profession that's been slowly poisoning the people who dedicate their lives to it for years. I've been a nurse 27 years. I've seen this coming. The signs were all there. We just didn't want to admit that the profession we loved so much was systematically destroying us. And it is. Sarah, she left travel nursing after having back surgery, and she explained it to me like this. She said, I had reached the point where my body literally broke before my spirit did. That's not normal, guys. That's not sustainable. The nurses leaving the bedside aren't weak. They're not lazy. They're not tough enough for nursing anymore. They're smart enough to recognize when a system is designed to use them up and throw them away. Now, let me break down what's actually driving nurses away, because it's not just one thing, it's everything all at once. First, there's the physical destruction. 12-hour shifts that somehow turn into 14. Your body wasn't designed to run on adrenaline and caffeine year after year after year. Then there's the staffing insanity. You're doing the job of 3 people or more. Seth, a former Marine Special Forces, put it perfectly. He said in the military, if you gave someone 10 jobs and no resources, that was considered setting them up for failure. And nursing, they call it Tuesday. There's also the pay that doesn't pay. You're making a few bucks an hour more today than you made 3 years ago. But gas, up 30%. Rent went up $200 a month. Inflation's running 5 to 7% some years. That's a 2% increase, merit increase, that's actually a pay cut with a bow on it. Rachel, she's one of our Catalyst clients, and she calculated that with inflation, she was making less as a CNO than she made as a charge nurse years earlier. More responsibility, more stress, less actual purchasing power. And let's not forget that the life that you're missing. Kelsey, she's one of our nurses from NICU, and she said it best, I think. She said, Randy, I was saving premature babies, but I was missing my own baby's milestones. The irony wasn't lost on me, she said, helping other families while mine got my leftovers. Jennifer described asking permission to use the bathroom, begging for time off, missing family events for mandatory overtime. She realized she had more freedom in corrections than she did in the hospital bedside. And finally, there's the disrespect that's disguised as heroism. They call us heroes and then deny us bathroom breaks. They give us pizza parties instead of raises. They ask us to work miracles with impossible resources, and then they blame us when something goes wrong. Nurses are leaving the bedside in droves. And here's where all these nurses are landing. And it might surprise you. Corporate healthcare is one of them. Case management, utilization review, insurance companies, similar pay, less patient contact, more paperwork, but regular hours and less physical stress. They're going to non-clinical roles like medical device sales, healthcare consulting, pharmaceutical companies. Good money, using medical knowledge without bedside stress, but requires heavy travel that doesn't work for a lot of nurses, especially those with families. They're going into education, nursing schools, corporate training, online education, sharing expertise without the physical demands, but typically pays significantly less. They're going into government and insurance, quality assurance, policy development, regulatory compliance, stable hours, good benefits, intellectual challenges, but also often pays less and can have strict compliance requirements. Here's where the wise ones are going. Legal nurse consulting. And here's why. That it's become the top choice for experienced nurses who want both freedom and income. Amanda was floating between 3 hospitals, maintaining competencies for 15 different units. Now she works from home, has over 80 cases, charges $150 an hour, and hasn't missed a bedtime with her kids since she started. Catherine, with 35 years of experience. She got job offers just from submitting her Catalyst practice cases. She's now working remotely for a risk management company and about to work from Kenya while on safari. Rachel went from trying to balance hospital schedules with motherhood to having 8 subcontractors working for her while she takes her daughter to the zoo on random Wednesday afternoons. And here's why legal nurse consulting is becoming that escape route of choice. 1, you keep your nursing identity. You're not abandoning nursing. You're elevating your career. Instead of being told you're just a nurse, attorneys call you the expert. Seth told me this isn't for everybody, but everybody can do it if they have the drive and the commitment. You're using every piece of nursing knowledge that you've accumulated, just in a different arena. Second reason, the income potential is real. Our nurses are charging between $125 to $175 an hour. Alex nearly 14x'd her revenue in 1 year. That's 1,400% increase in a year. Amanda made more in her first month than her annual hospital raise would have been for the next 5 years combined. Third reason, the lifestyle design actually works. Sarah manages cases while swimming with sea turtles in the Galapagos. Shauna works while her 2-year-old naps. Cammie travels to Iceland while working. These aren't vacation stories. This is their work life. The fourth reason, the respect you deserve. When Jane showed her work to an attorney at a dinner party, the same work that she learned in Catalyst, he looked at her phone and said her work product was way beyond what he could produce himself. When's the last time anyone at the hospital said that about your nursing skills? And then the fifth reason, it's the control that you crave. No more asking permission for bathroom breaks. No more begging for time off. No more mandatory overtime. We're adults. We're professionals, for goodness sakes. Jennifer told her supervisor, I have another job. I'm the CEO of my own company. That's true freedom. Now, let me be honest about what this transition actually looks like. It's not overnight success. Seth, he said he marketed to over 700 law firms to build his practice. Kristen got her first attorney client in 4 weeks of marketing, but that was after months of preparation through Catalyst. It didn't come like that. Shauna took over a year to complete her Catalyst training because she had a young child, and that's perfectly okay. She described the flexibility like this. She said, you can make time with Catalyst because that's the beauty of it. She said, I can sit and rock my little boy to sleep, but yet I can be connected to the Catalyst community at the same time. The difference between this transition and others out there, you're building an asset. You're not just switching jobs. Rachel started with 1 attorney, now has 3, all from referrals. Each client relationship compounds your business. So here's the choice that you have to make. You can stay at the bedside, hoping somehow the system will fix itself. Spoiler alert, it's not going to. They've calculated exactly how far they can push before you break, and then they push just a little less than that. Or you can join the Exodus. But instead of just escaping to another job with different problems, you can build something that gives you everything you came into nursing for. The helping, the respect, the financial security, and actually having a life outside of work. The 100,000 nurses who've already left, they figured out that staying in a toxic system doesn't make them heroes. It makes them casualties. Listen, if you're one of the nurses thinking about your resignation, if you're tired of being destroyed by a system that literally would replace you tomorrow, if you want to use your expertise without sacrificing your life, legal nurse consulting might be your answer. Watch my free training. Links below. I'll show you exactly how nurses are making this transition from bedside burnout to 6-figure freedom. Not just in theory, actual steps, real processes, proven systems. Because you've got 2 choices. Stay and slowly die inside, or leave and see if you can build something better. Your expertise is valuable. Your life matters. And your future doesn't have to look just like your past. Click below. Let's talk about what life after bedside really looks like. Because you deserve better than just surviving until retirement.